Hey everyone! It's a tough topic today, but an important one. I'm diving into a story that's shaken the foundation of a sport adored by millions. Let's talk about how the wrestling scene in Haryana, India, has been impacted by the Brij Bhushan scandal. A few years back, wrestling was more than just a sport in Haryana. It was a beacon of dreams and empowerment, especially for young women. The Olympic success of wrestlers like Sakshi Malik wasn't just a victory on the mat. It was a symbol of breaking barriers and achieving the unthinkable. But today, the mats that once echoed with the thuds of aspiring champions are now clouded with doubt and fear. The revelation of sexual abuse within the wrestling community has not only tarnished the image of this noble sport, but has deeply affected the lives and dreams of countless young athletes. Imagine this. Young girls who once looked up to their heroes, dreaming of gold medals and glory, are now re-evaluating their dreams. Parents who saw wrestling as a path to empowerment and success for their daughters are now gripped by fear, questioning whether the arena is safe anymore. It's a heartbreak for the community. The sport that was once a source of pride and joy is losing its luster. Wrestling, known for its toughness and resilience, now faces its toughest match yet, restoring trust and safety. But every crisis brings a ray of hope. It's crucial now more than ever for reforms, tighter regulations, transparent processes, and most importantly, a supportive environment where athletes can speak up and be heard without fear of retribution are not just necessary, they are mandatory. As we reflect on this, let's not just focus on the scandal, but on the path forward. For wrestling to regain its glory, it needs to be more than just a sport. It needs to be a safe haven, a place of respect and dignity. Let's stand with those who are fighting not just on the mat, but for their rights and for a better, safer sport. That's it for today. Remember, it's not just about the fall, it's about how we get back up. Thanks for tuning in and keep fighting the good fight, both on and off the mat.